Do you want to control your blood sugar for all-day energy? Imagine the vitality of having sustained energy not just in the morning, but throughout the entire day. This isn't about a quick jolt from a cup of coffee or an energy drink, but about steady all-day energy. The key to unlocking this energy lies in the careful management of your blood sugar levels. Blood sugar, also known as glucose, serves as the primary energy source for your body. Maintaining a healthy blood sugar level isn't just critical for those diagnosed with diabetes, it's essential for everyone. When our blood sugar levels are too high or too low, it can lead to fatigue, blurred vision, and in extreme cases, serious health complications. So, how do we keep our blood sugar levels in check? And how can this boost our energy? If you're interested in maintaining your energy levels throughout the day, stick around for our 7 tips. Our first tip is to eat regular, balanced meals. This is more than just a good habit. It's a vital strategy to keep your blood sugar levels steady. Eating at regular intervals throughout the day helps prevent those dreaded blood sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling drained, but it's not just about when you eat, it's also about what you eat. A balanced meal should include a mix of protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Proteins and fats help slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes. Carbohydrates, on the other hand, are your body's main source of energy, but should be consumed in moderation and preferably in their complex form, like whole grains and vegetables. So every time you sit down to eat, think of your plate as a balancing scale, with proteins and fats on one side and carbohydrates on the other. Remember, regular balanced meals are your first line of defense against blood sugar fluctuations. Hydration is our second tip. Water, the unsung hero of our bodies, plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels. When we're well hydrated, our kidneys can efficiently flush out excess glucose through urine. Plus, drinking water regularly throughout the day helps avoid dehydration, which can cause your blood sugar to spike. So, the next time you're feeling thirsty, reach for a glass of water rather than a sugary drink. It's a simple yet effective way to help regulate your blood sugar, so drink up and keep your blood sugar levels in check. Our third tip is to engage in regular physical activity. Exercise, whether it's a brisk walk around the block or a high-intensity workout, is a powerful tool in maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Physical activity encourages your muscles to use sugar for energy and contraction, which naturally brings down your blood sugar. Now you might be thinking, I'm not much of an athlete. That's okay. The beauty of exercise is its versatility. Find a form of physical activity you enjoy. Maybe it's dancing, cycling, or even gardening. The goal is to get moving and keep moving. Moreover, regular exercise often improves insulin sensitivity. This means your body doesn't have to work as hard to process glucose, reducing the strain on your insulin-producing cells. So lace up those shoes and let's get moving. Remember, a little bit of exercise can go a long way in controlling your blood sugar. Tip number 4 is all about managing stress. Stress can cause havoc on your blood sugar levels, sending them on a roller coaster ride of highs and lows. But worry not, there are ways to mitigate this. Techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can significantly help in managing stress. These activities encourage relaxation, calming the mind and body, thus helping to stabilize blood sugar fluctuations. Remember, the less stressed you are, the better control you have over your blood sugar. Managing stress is essential in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Our last 3 tips are to get adequate sleep, have regular checkups, and adhere to your medication. Let's start with sleep. We often undermine the power of a good night's sleep, but it plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. When we sleep, our bodies enter a state of restoration, repairing cells and balancing hormones, including insulin. Chronic sleep deprivation can interfere with these processes, leading to higher blood glucose levels and even insulin resistance. So ensure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. It isn't just about the quantity, but also the quality. A restful sleep can make a world of difference in maintaining your energy levels throughout the day. Next, regular checkups. Monitoring your blood sugar isn't a one-time thing, it's a continuous process. Regular health checkups can help in early detection and management of any fluctuations in your blood sugar levels. It's like your personal radar system, alerting you if there's a storm brewing. With regular checkups, you can take timely action, adjust your lifestyle or medication accordingly, and prevent any potential health crises. Remember, early detection is always better than late intervention. Lastly, medication adherence. If you've been prescribed medication to manage your blood sugar levels, it's important to take them as directed by your healthcare provider. Skipping doses or altering the dosage can lead to blood sugar spikes or crashes, which can be dangerous. Consistency is key here. Think of your medication as your co-pilot, guiding you through your journey to better health. But remember, medication alone isn't the solution. It needs to be complemented with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. Adequate sleep, regular checkups, and medication adherence are your final steps to controlling your blood sugar for all-day energy. You're not just managing your blood sugar levels, you're taking control of your life. So don't just survive, thrive. So, there you have it. 7 tips to control your blood sugar for all-day energy. We've talked about the importance of eating regular balanced meals, staying hydrated, and engaging in physical activity. We've also discussed how managing stress plays a crucial role in controlling your blood sugar levels. Lastly, we covered the importance of getting enough sleep, the need for regular checkups, and the significance of adhering to your medication. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall health. They can help you maintain steady blood sugar levels, preventing the highs and lows that can sap your energy and affect your mood. By taking these small but significant steps, you can take control of your health and enjoy sustained energy throughout the day. Remember, controlling your blood sugar is key to maintaining your energy levels throughout the day. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Stay healthy.